Hey Facebook, here's another poem. This one's a little racy, so listen at your own risk. Daydreams of Lust. Looking in your eyes, I see a reflection of myself. A fool. I want you. I think of you. Not even knowing how you feel. I love you. I don't know why, but it's true. In my thoughts and dreams, I see you and I making love. I feel it as though it's really happening. I feel every push, every squeeze. I hear every moan, every scream. The two of us panting as we try to catch our breath. You're between my creaming thighs, sliding in and out. The pressure of your weight on top of me seems so realistic. I love it. The beads of sweat drip from your body onto mine. I feel your fingers gently running through my hair as I slowly lick my way down your chest. We grab onto each other's bodies and push and pull as if we were trying to get inside of one another. Push harder, don't stop, don't ever stop. And then I come back to reality. I sit alone, staring off into space. I'm happy with my imagination, but you could really satisfy me. Will you? Please? Will you allow me to love you if just for one night? Then it won't be imagination, but a beautiful memory. I hope you liked it, Facebook. Good night.